Hello, my name is Christy and I have such an exciting unboxing video today. So I'm going to be unboxing the Glossybox limited edition Rodial box. If you're familiar with my channel, you know how much I love beauty subscription services and I love sharing my unboxings with you. So I feel so lucky and excited that Glossybox sent me their limited edition Rodial box to share on my channel. And let me go ahead and get into this. And before I get into it, I don't want to forget to tell you that I have a discount code. It's Christy, and that will get you your first Glossybox subscription for $16. And then that will also get you $5 off the Rodial box. So let's see what I got. I am so excited. I love the brand Rodial. They make those glow serum drops. They're called the Soft Focus drops from Rodial. They're like pink. So good. I love those. So let's see what other products I have to discover. These are supposed to be, I believe, 5 of their top products and comes in such a pretty box. And here is a pamphlet with all of the product information. And then let's see the products. Oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful unboxing experience, different than the other beauty subscription boxes that I get. Because then here's how it looks. I love that it's this whole black and red color scheme. All right, let's start with this one here. Ooh, Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water. So this is a deluxe mini, and this still seems like a lot of product. Ooh, it's supposed to cleanse, refresh, and soothe the skin all at once. So it's a micellar water with hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3. That's awesome. I love micellar waters, but I don't know if I've tried a micellar water that also has hyaluronic acid in it. I love hyaluronic acid. It's really hydrating for the skin. It seriously has so many benefits to the skin. And so this deluxe mini retails for $25. Ooh, I see some masks here. Ooh, the Dragon's Blood Jelly Eye Patches. I love an under eye mask. It's just supposed to hydrate and tone, which I really need to make sure I'm really hydrating my under eyes, especially as it gets colder and my skin gets dry. I'm trying to keep these under eyes looking smooth. 20% Skin Hydration Shield. So you get 2 of these and each one retails for $11. Ooh, some more masks here. These are the Dragon's Blood lip masks. Gosh, do I need to do a lip mask. My lips are so dry, and these are going to really help because they're supposed to also hydrate and tone. Moisture-rich, plumping, biocellulose lip mask. Oh my gosh, I want to put one of these on right now. But I'll resist and I'll get through the video, don't worry. So each one of these retails for $7. So in my opinion, Rodial is a higher priced brand. So getting this box is a great way to get an awesome deal on all of the products and allow you to try out their amazing products. So these lip masks, oh, this sounds great. It's supposed to restore, plump, and protect the lips. That sounds awesome. Ooh, love the packaging on this here. The Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel XXL Plumping Formula to volumize skin appearance with collagenere and volufiline. Oh wow, this is considered a deluxe mini. I would have thought this was the full-size product. So this deluxe mini retails for $26. Anti-aging gel helps volumize and define facial contours by stimulating the production of collagen. That sounds so nice. So it kind of sounds like you use this, basically the step where you would apply a serum in your skincare routine. So you're supposed to put 1 to 2 pumps onto your face daily before moisturizing, both morning and evening. I don't think I have tried out a volumizing skin product, and I can't wait to see how this is. And then last but not least, we've got the Rodial Glamour Lash Mascara XXL. Ooh, I love mascaras, and you know what? I have a trying a new makeup product every day series on my channel, so I will do a full dedicated review video on this mascara. So make sure you're subscribed, turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss out when I do the review on this. So this is the Deluxe Mini, retail value of $13. So it's supposed to be volumizing, extremely black, sounds beautiful. So let me go ahead and add up the total retail value. So total retail value is exactly $100. That is awesome. Let me do a quick recap of everything you get. So there is the Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water, the Dragon's Blood Sculpting Gel, the Dragon's Blood Jelly Eye Patches, the Dragon's Blood Lip Mask, Hydrate and Tone, and the Glamour Lash Mascara XXL. So gosh, I am really excited about this box. Really excited about all of these products because I feel like I need all of them pretty desperately these days with how my skin's been acting. So let me know in the comments down below if you have tried any of these products, what your thoughts are on them, and let me know if you get Glossybox, if you plan to get the Rodial box. So the Rodial box is going to be available October 23rd, and I'll have a link in the description down below if you are interested in getting it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.